something up my sleeve. It's gonna give you everything that you need. I believe when the beat is ill, then I can be the unsigned hope with no deal, for real. So I might have to chill, but I think it's time for this beat to build. So let's go time it, come rhyming. Every time I do it, I'm finding another way to get it, cussing to the top of climbing. And if the speeds up, I come through and pick it up. I'm gonna spit up all that sick stuff, cause I don't think I did enough. Freestyle gonna make it iller. I'ma come and be a thriller, not like Michael Jackson. I ain't taking no fractions, hold it, make it happen. When it comes to rapping, salute me, enlisted. I ain't never been a captain, so let's get it. When I spit it, it's so ill with it. Got the stuff making me kinda still with it. Wait, I'm still with it. I ain't fall off. I've been a boss for a year, and now I'm all off. That's all I'm gonna take, cause that's how it is. I gotta always keep it real positive. How I live is right here with my peoples. Let's get in the next beat, give you a new sequel. Yeah. Yeah, y'all still vibing with me? Couple? Alright, I feel the energy. Let's go. Go with another rhythm. People, get your mind right. It's your time, right? Cause opportunity ain't only for the limelight. You gotta grind right. You know it all times. Sleep too much, this mother creep a whole minds. And I need that. Yeah, the whole nine. I see the brain as a refillable gold mine. I plug gems from my brain stems. If you're getting knowledge, then you be doing the same, friend. You can feel the pain and start having days spent enjoying every moment. You won't know where the day went. Being thankful and gracious is so much better than feeling jealousy and hatred. So tread lightly, cause you beating yourself is much more likely than anything life can send at your neck. 3 words and keep it all in check. First, respect for myself and the time to hustle and grind, forever seeking knowledge, so I'm destined to find power to achieve what I need at the speed of light. But to do it right in life, you know we need that money. $30, it comes in other forms. Real estate's the realest way, skyscrapers and farms, RPM. From beginning to end, energy of the peoples was making the world spin. So I begin to give you all a lesson. Being on the stage is such a blessing, cause I can give you all of my confessions. And at the same time, like I said, it's a lesson. Teach positive, teach how to give something else to people who ain't got it. So by the middle, wait, don't have a pocket pissing. I'ma do this cause Elm City blocks on my mission. That's where I came from, and that's where my mama was, and that's where my papa was, so I'm showing love. From the hill to the ville to the trade, we can do this every day, cause you know we don't play. You can keep it on replay. Come on, DJ. Whoa, no DJ, the blend is too easy. The band is too ill. They coming through and making it real, so you know the opportunity, I'm taking it. I ain't never fake with it. Always been a real dude coming through, eating good food in real moods. Wait, eating real food in good moods. Soulful, everybody thought I